What if gravity stopped working for a second? What if you moved faster than light? Or stood still in time? Well, spoiler alert, you wouldn't survive long. But let's break the laws of physics anyway, just to see how weird the universe gets when you do. Number 6. Let's say, for a moment, gravity turns off. Not weakened, completely gone. You're in your room, suddenly, your body lifts. So does your chair, your desk, your bed. The walls begin cracking. Earth itself, yeah, it starts falling apart. The moon flies off. The oceans rise and float away like water in a space shuttle. But here's the weirdest part, Earth would stop orbiting the sun and fly in a straight line into deep space. You might think that's peaceful, until the temperature drops to minus 270 degrees Celsius. Without gravity, stars can't form. Planets can't stay together. The universe becomes a quiet, floating graveyard. So yeah, maybe don't pull that plug. Number 5. What if you could move faster than light? Let's say you had a ship that could go, say, 10 times light speed. Cool, right? Well, no, not really. Einstein says the faster you go, the more mass you gain. At light speed, your mass becomes infinite, which means you'd need infinite energy. So breaking this rule would literally require energy that doesn't exist in the universe. And if you somehow do it anyway, you're now moving faster than cause and effect. You could arrive before you left. That means time travel, but not the fun kind. You might erase your own existence, cause time loops, or break every timeline like glass. Basically, you become a cosmic paradox. Number 4. Let's break another big one, the second law of thermodynamics. It says energy always spreads out. Hot coffee cools, ice melts, people age. But what if we reversed it? Imagine your spilled coffee gathering itself back into your cup, hot again. Dead cells in your body reassembling into youth. Entropy decreasing. Feels like magic. It's not. It's just impossible. If this law broke, time itself might run backward. Galaxies would unform. Supernovae would suck back into stars. Life wouldn't evolve, it would unevolve. The arrow of time, snapped in half. Number 3. Let's say you found a way to create energy from nothing. Congrats, you just made a perpetual motion machine. But wait, now you've broken one of physics' most sacred rules. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. So what happens now? If you pump infinite energy into the universe, two things occur. One is you'd break every economic system. And other second is you'd probably melt the planet. More realistically, reality would destabilize. Energy would spike randomly, like glitches. Atoms might fly apart. Stars might spontaneously ignite. In your bedroom, you'd be living in a universe where anything could happen, including nothing ever making sense again. Number 2. What if we could reach absolute zero, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, the coldest possible temperature? We've gotten close, but never hit it. Why? Because at absolute zero, atoms stop moving. Completely. No motion equals no life, no time, no activity. Everything becomes a frozen still life of the universe. Break this law, and you'd be creating zones where time stops. You could trap particles in place. Pause chemical reactions. It's like hitting pause on the universe. Sounds awesome, until you realize nothing can ever unpause. Forever. Number 1. Normally, you can't know both the position and velocity of a particle at the same time. It's not just hard, it's physically impossible. But if you could break that, you'd turn quantum mechanics into classical Lego blocks. You could track electrons like marbles. Predict future events with terrifying accuracy. And if you really went all in, you'd eliminate randomness. That means no free will, no creativity, no surprise. Just cold, predictable physics forever. In the end. So yeah, the laws of physics aren't just boring rules in a textbook. They're the glue holding together space, time, matter, even you. Break them, and reality unravels. But hey, thanks to those laws, you get to exist. So maybe don't mess with them. Just hit that like button instead, and break the YouTube algorithm.